What up, YouTube? Currently trying to sharpen a chainsaw chain, which I can't get you guys focused in on. I have to turn it a certain way, then go down to sharpen, so you guys get to watch a little bit of it. Then as soon as I get it sharp and it's ready to cut wood again, this is usually how I like to sharpen my chains. Get an edge put on them. So I usually don't mind sharpening chains. It doesn't bother me. So what I like to do on my spare time, especially when I don't work today, okay, that one's sharpened. Let's go on to the next one. Yee. That way we can get it going. I'm already sharpened the other side. I gotta get to this side. How far am I from my white tooth? Still got a little ways. Gotta make sure that's to the back stop. There we go. That way we can get this tooth sharpened. That looks shiny as it can be. Can't complain. Okay, let's get this one done. Go to the next one. Alright, next one, here we go. Same thing. Hate doing it so damn closely with these damn teeth. That didn't look too bad. Trying to put an edge on this, you guys, and have it where it'll cut wood again. Wonder how far we're from. Yeah, we're almost getting there. Almost there. We got like, we got one. Got 2 more teeth to go. We're almost there. I'm kind of splitting the videos up, you guys, so I don't bore y'all. So we get the exact amount of cut depth. I gotta probably work on the depth gauge too. Okay, let's get to the next one. Then there'll be 2 more. This is the last one, I believe. If you guys want to like, share, subscribe, and follow my page, that'd be greatly appreciated. Ooh, that one's a little bad. So what you guys can't see, well, better yet, it's the smell. That's the thing, you can't smell it. Alright, I'm done with that. This is a process. So what you guys don't see is what I do is I put an edge on each of these teeth that you can see on camera, but you can't see it that detailed. I don't have a very good camera on the phone. So what I like to do is put an edge on all my teeth before I sell it to a customer. And not only that, trying to keep my chain straight. And I'm going to make this video conclusion. I've done the last one at 11 minutes. This one took me some time because each tooth is a different angle. So if you're at the right angle, which you're at a degrees mark here, I need to move my machine up about another 1.5 inches so I could get the finished product done. So what I'm doing currently is I'm having to clean up my machine too. It's a mess. All this dust and debris, it stays on it. I haven't been able to clean it because of my full-time job. So, and not only that, dealing with a bunch of stuff, trying to clean all this mess up, and trying to clean all this up and that up. It's like, it's a mess. And so far, everything that you see on this blue towel is nothing but grinding dust. That's the stuff that I'm breathing, which is not great for you. But for doing chainsaw chain sharpening, it sure takes a toll on you, especially the smell. The smell it's freaking terrible. But I'll try to show you guys in a deeper video than what I got right now. One moment. When you do this kind of work, must wear rubber gloves. Must. This stuff will stick in your fingernails and it'll smell up your fingers real bad too. Ask me how I know, because I dealt with it. Not only that, it can get your fingers infected too. But trying to clean this thing up because I stowed it away, and then, well, the last person that stowed it away was my dad, so just because I left it over here, I had too many other chainsaw projects, and getting this thing cleaned up is a pain, like what it is being right now. Everything's kind of covered in metal dust. A really heavy, thick metal dust. Like, it looks like metal shavings, but it ain't shavings. This is a grinding material, so you can't help when you have to sharpen chainsaw chains, folks. So, not only that, not very many people pretty much care, but I do, because I don't want the stuff to catch on fire and then ignite and boom, like gunpowder, which has happened in many other companies. And gotta check my back. Yeah, it's still a little dusty over here too. But this electric chainsaw chain sharpener has been a lifesaver of a tool to keep, because every time you always go through some kind of metal dust or some kind of job you got to do or help out others, and this is nasty. Just look at this, you guys. I mean, that's not much. The last towel, it covered it. I mean, covered. So what I'd like to do and share with you guys, that if you ever have problems to solve them, and I'll show y'all an angled part of the video from angling down. There is a towel right here you guys can't see, but I'll take you off the tripod here in a minute. After I clean this mucky, nasty mess up, that you need to learn when you own one of these things, you got to clean all the nasty, mucky mess off of them. And some of it won't come off. At least off the plastics anyways. So you're not breathing this stuff. I've been meaning to clean it, and I neglected it. So I'm cleaning it today, which now I'll have to get my can of brake clean to get that cleaned up, all sorted away. Okay, there we go. Let's try to clean this. Clean all this mucky, nasty mess off. Now I can wipe it down. It's going to smell up pretty bad. Anybody that knows how to clean these things, which is a very detailed matter, I like to clean my stuff, including tools and tool sharpeners. This is a nasty, ugly mess that you have to clean up in order to keep from catching on fire. And not only that, it is covered in a mucky, nasty mess. I'm going to try to get you guys off that tripod real quick, and I'll show y'all. Look how clean this is up now. It was very nasty, and you can't see it. I can probably, but you guys will not be able to see it. Oop. Ripped through my thumb on the shop towel. What you guys can't see is that mess in there. I mean, I can't get my fingers in it to clean it. I just sprayed it and went on. Nobody shows you how to clean these things up, so I try to show you. Best I can, shown. I hate having to do it, but somebody's got to do it. Trying to make sure to keep my tools clean so I can use them again and again, whether it's with a job or without a job. This stuff will keep me busy for a little while and not have to worry about so much. Now, I'm going to stand you guys up, put you back on the magnet tripod. Try to stand you guys up a little bit. Look at this shop towel. Well, whether you can see it or not. That is all from that. That's, whew, it's got a smell now, but you guys don't smell it on camera. It's a nasty mess that I've neglected, and I need to clean it. Today shall be that day. So, what I've got a video for you guys is how to maintenance a chainsaw, which is right here. You know, this is an older saw that somebody neglected. That's a neglectance. Or it didn't work out for them and it wasn't big enough or small enough or whatever their application could be. Somehow or another, they let this saw go too far, honestly. So I want you guys to note. Let me get right back to you. I might have to spray the rest of this outside. This stuff will actually choke somebody up. But I need it to clean all this mucky, nasty mess out. Good golly. Ew. Okay, that's disgusting. Really, really bad. Disgusting. I can't stand disgusting saws that people just put back. And now I got it most on my glove because I'm trying to clean this mug. Now I'm going to have to go outside because it's so from this that you guys can see that we all buy from Walmart for neglectance of a saw. You guys that are watching, like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's been a life-changing day for me. So you guys that are watching, like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day. And try to at least, you know, with all your companions out there, to be nice to one another. Because apparently, I guess I'm the bad guy, and the other people are always good guys, and what is it? My favor, I feel like I'm always in the wrong. But people always think you're in the right, or somebody's in the right, or somebody's in the wrong. That's neither here or there today, folks. My word of advice to you, for when you're working on stuff such as I have, it's hard to explain when it's in my household. Giving a proper advice video, if you guys ever get into a conclusion like I have, I want you guys to note, pretty much, stay to yourself, don't explain nothing, and when you're working for somebody else, a company, just stay quiet. That is the best option for you. Because that's what I'm going through right now. And apparently you can't post anything besides people getting butt hurt. And pretty much ass hurt videos. And makes no sense. So I'm documenting this for my own safety. and showing y'all what I do for keep myself mind clear and able to focus on what I'm doing in my lifetime. I want people to know, do not feel like you're the only one. And this Craftsman chainsaw, I'm really surprised it has the original bottle here that nobody sees anymore. So, I need to see if it's opened. Nope, it's still sealed. That's a shock. So, you guys that watch my channel, this saw was gifted to me to clean up, fix up whatever you guys can or cannot see, which, ooh, well, it's a nasty mucky mess on the other side. If you turn it around, I got the chain off of it. It's pretty much ick right now. So, I'm going to have to take the gloves off on that one because that was very nasty. That chain, too, was very nasty. Like, somebody just neglected and left it. I give my advice to you. Do not let people and don't let neglected chainsaws get to you, because it did me a little bit. Neglectance is not the right way to go. Honestly, I'm going to fix this saw up. I'm going to give you guys a word of advice. I might use it to cut a few limbs here and there. And what is it? I think this one's a 40cc. I've had a 46, and I did enjoy the 46, but it just was not enough power for me. I am not a very picky person. I love it when I get gifted things, and I love it where I can post it for you guys. And later, you know, past, I've been gifted a saw where I paid for the saw technically, but I had to buy the bar and the chain and give it here and there about every week or every 2 weeks till I can get the parts ordered and get them shipped here. And then I can start working on them, which I need to order those parts because this needs a primer bulb and I think it might need a carburetor if I'm not mistaken either. So stay tuned for that video. I will give you guys hopefully another video here soon, but this is on the fine Monday of March 16th. And I wanted to dock this video for not only my work's sakes, but it just seems like I've been treated in the wrong. But you guys won't get it. Somebody out there that does watch my videos, and plus people that from my work watch my videos, do appreciate you watching. And if you guys need chainsaw chain sharpen, tune up, fuel, air, fire, spark, mix, done. If you guys get my drift, you'll understand. And those 3 things to fire, you know, 2-stroke or 2-cycle engine is the main things that gets that engine going. So, for 1, don't neglect your saws. For 2, get your stuff to the right person and know how to fix them or let them fix them. Don't just sit there and throw this kind of stuff away. I got told from the grapevine from a good buddy of mine that he went and pulled this out of a dumpster. And that shocked fire out of me. And it's not a bad saw. There's a few things that I didn't know about it. Like the bar tensioner right here is right here on that side. Well, sorry. Right here on this side. It's where my finger's pointing. I didn't even know it was there. I honestly thought for having, this is an older saw. This has got to be at least a 2008 or older. And I've dealt with older saws and I've never seen a chain tensioner like that. So they all have their weird quirky ways about chain tensioners and having the chains sharpened because it looked like they were cutting wood with a dull blade, and that's not good. So like, share, subscribe, folks. I'll catch you in the next one. Miller out. Please like, share.